How to build your brand. Branding is really crucial. If you click on this video, you probably understand why. So let's say if Starbucks, right? Starbucks, it's a normal coffee. It functions the same thing as other coffees, but the thing that it actually sells is its brand. Let's say Apple. Apple isn't selling just a computer, it sells identity, it's branding. I know that I'm quite going to be like relatable to you guys because I just started trying to, going through the trials and tribulations of creating my own brand. So the first step is to know what you like. You have to know yourself first, right? You have to know what kind of taste you have, what kind of music you like to listen, what kind of aesthetics or colors or designs that you prefer. And if you know what you like, you're going to be more far ahead to try to visualize your brandings. Brandings is the identity that your brand is going to have. So the second point is to create a mood board. So if you know what you like, you know the aesthetics that you're going for, you know the visions that you have, you can create a mood board. So you can use Pinterest. So gather around your mood board and try to visualize it. That's the goal. And the third step is to create a vision. You have to have a vision. So it goes back to the first step, which is if you know yourself more, you're gonna know your visions. You're gonna create that identity that you're going for, that you're heading for. So create a visions and then try to emphasize it through like slogan or so. Like for example, my slogan is to be part of the star. As you guys may know, I'm Star. Oh, become part of the star, that's the slogan. So create a vision. My vision is to try to like gather people around, try to create a community. So that's why become part of the star became a vision for me. And the last step is to cultivate the audience. To create an audience, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of effort too. You have to continue posting a lot. Try to cultivate audience who like your brands, like your styles and all that kind of stuff. That's gonna do you well later, and be yourself. I think when it comes to like important thing about branding is just to be yourself and to be your authentic self, to understand who you are and try to visualize it. Be clear about the intention, be clear about the identity that you're going for, and I think that's the way to go. And at the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.